So I decided to DM 100 black millionaires to see if they would actually mentor me. Let's see what happens. What it do, hustlers? It's your boy Jarrell here, coming at you with another video today. And in this video right here, I'm gonna DM 100 black millionaires to see if they would actually mentor me, man. That would actually be cool if they respond and they actually end up mentoring me, man. That would be crazy. But if you see my previous video, right, I was talking about 7 things that we're going to invest in 2020, and the #1 thing on that list was a mentor. So I'm gonna practice what I preach in this video, and I'm gonna try to find a mentor. Hopefully it goes well. Before we get down to business though, make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel as well. This channel is all about entrepreneurship, making money online, and just helping the black community in general. So make sure that you subscribe to join the family. But let's actually try to find a mentor now. Alright, so I'm on my phone right now, and I just put up a website just going over a bunch of black millionaires in the world today. So we're gonna see if they have an Instagram, just check them out and everything like that. And then I'm gonna DM them and ask them to mentor me. So let's just scroll down. So on this list, they got Oprah Winfrey. #1, she's 65, $2.8 billion, man. Just imagine what you could do with $2.8 billion. Like, I wouldn't even know how to spend that much money, man. $2.8 billion. She's 65 years old. Robert F. Smith, he got $2.5 billion. Crazy. I wonder what he does, man. Michael Jordan. Everybody know Michael Jordan, man. $650 million. He's age 56 right now. Diddy, age 49, $620 million. Tiger Woods, everybody know Tiger Woods. Robert L. Johnson, $580 million. Mariah Carey, is she like fully black? I don't know about that one. I don't know if she should be on this list. Magic Johnson, $500 million. They got Jay-Z with $475 million, age 49. I believe he's in the billions now, right? So this isn't completely accurate. This was probably like last year or something like that. Shirley Johnson, $400 million. She's age 70. I wonder what she does as well. Tyler Perry, Bill Cosby. They got all the ghosts on here. Bill Cosby. Hey, free Bill Cosby, man. They got Shaquille O'Neal on here. Dr. Dre, another GOAT. I'm gonna definitely ask Dr. Dre to mentor me. Master P. They got all the ghosts on here, man. I don't even know who this is. He doesn't even look black to me. I'm not gonna DM him. He's age 57, $350 million. Barry Gordy. I don't know who that is either. He doesn't look 89 though. He looks kind of young for his age. Russell Simmons, another GOAT, $340 million. And Beyonce, Prince. They got Prince. I can't even ask him. Diana Ross, $250 million. I don't know who that is. Another GOAT, Kobe Bryant, $200 million. But let's actually get into actually DMing some of these millionaires now. So let's go on Instagram and let's try to find some of these millionaires, right? So I was wondering, like, should I use my Black Hustlers Club Instagram account, or should I use my personal Instagram account? I'm gonna just go with the Black Hustlers Club since I'm on here right now. And let's just type in Kobe Bryant, since that's the last person we've seen. Kobe Bryant, the GOAT. That's not even, is this him? Is this Kobe Bryant's page? Yeah, this is Kobe. 10.9 million. So what should I say, man? What should I say? Should I just be like, hey, I love your work, and I was wondering if you could mentor me, or something like that. I'm gonna just keep it short and simple like that. Boom. I'm gonna actually copy this message, man, so I don't have to type it out every single time. So #1, Kobe. Let's go back to the list and let's see who else we got. Let's scroll back up. So let's go back to Oprah, right? I remember Oprah. I know she has an Instagram. Oprah, 17.5 million on Instagram. Let's ask her the same thing. Boom. And we just gonna go through this whole list, man. Russell Simmons, let's see if he has an Instagram. I don't follow any of these people on Instagram either. Russell Simmons. Right here, Uncle Rush. Hey, that's a fire name. And we're gonna message him as well. and just copy and paste the same message. Now of course I'm gonna switch up the message, but for these couple people I'm gonna just DM the same message. Now I do know one millionaire that isn't on this list, but I would like for them to mentor me, so I'm gonna actually message him right now. So it's Jay Morrison, man. This man is doing big things for the black community. So if you haven't followed him, man, go check him out. He has 398K, and he's really heavy into real estate and all of that. Like, he got the black house that he just opened up and everything like that. So he's really someone that I look up to and admire. So I'm gonna actually ask him, and I'm not gonna send him the same message. So as you can see, I tagged him in one of his stories right here. So this was just like the black business owners thing, but I'm gonna actually copy and paste that, but I'm gonna say something else. So I'm gonna actually talk about like my channels and everything like that, so he could see my work as well, because I feel like that'll increase my chances of him actually mentoring me, because I'm actually trying myself, I'm actually putting in work, and if I learn from him, it could take my game to the next level. So I'm a 19-year-old entrepreneur, and now let's actually delete some of this out. So what I'm gonna say is, hey, I love your work, and I'm not trying to sound like a fanboy or anything like that though. So I'm gonna just say I love your work, and I really look up to you as a man, right? I'm a 19-year-old entrepreneur, and I was wondering if you could mentor me. Alright, man, so I finished the message, right? So it just says, hey, I love your work, and I really look up to you as a man, because, you know, I never really had a real father figure in my life, or like a positive role model in my life. And I'm a 19-year-old entrepreneur, and I was wondering if you could mentor me. Here's my YouTube channel, so you could take a look at my work, and it just links to both of my YouTube channels. And I feel like with your guidance, I can take my game to the next level. I'm willing to work for free as well, just to learn from you. Looking forward to your response. Thank you. So that's all the message says. Hopefully he actually responds, man, because that's really someone that I look up to, man, like for real. Like, he's doing big things for real estate and all of that, man. And let's go back to the list though. So let's do Master P. So let's actually, I'm gonna actually send that the same message to Master P. And we just gonna copy and paste that message. Boom. And let's just go to this some more. I want to do Dr. Dre. Dr. Dre is another one I look up to. Like, Dr. Dre has changed the game for like the music industry and all of that. So we gonna send that message to Dr. Dre. Boom. And Bill Cosby, man. I can't even DM Bill Cosby, man. Free Bill Cosby. Let's see. Jay-Z, let's go ahead and DM Jay-Z if he has an Instagram. Jay-Z, I'm not sure if he does. I don't think so. Nah, he doesn't. Or maybe it's just under another name, but I'm not gonna take the time to look for that. Tiger Woods, let's do Diddy. Let's see if Diddy has an Instagram. Boom. So we did about, let's see how many DMs we sent up so far. We sent about almost 10 DMs so far, right? So I'm gonna hit you guys up tomorrow. I'm gonna let you guys know how it went and everything like that. I'm gonna finish DMing everybody, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with the results.
The next day.
Alright man, so it's the next day, the results are in. I want you guys to type in the comment section below how many millionaires you actually think got back to me. In a second, I'm about to pull up my phone, but before I do that, make sure that you type in the comment section below how many people you think got back to me. So let me pull up my phone real quick so you can see the results. Alright man, so I'm on my Instagram account right now, and I DM'd a good amount of people, man, a good amount of people. And as you can see, a lot of them didn't even open it, man. I don't think anybody even opened the message, man. You can see Cash Doll, Kiki Palmer. I DM'd everybody, man. Tory Lanez, Megan Thee Stallion, Zendaya. I DM'd everybody. Dame Dash, man. I DM'd everybody and their mama. Tracy Morgan, Kyrie Irving, Nicki Minaj. I DM'd everybody, and I don't think anybody respond. This is Wallow as well. I'm not sure if he's a millionaire yet, but he's also someone I look up to, but he didn't look at it. LeBron James, Deion Sanders. So you can see down the list, man, I DM'd a good amount of people, and I don't think anybody even seen it. But it's all good, man. It's all good. And I'm gonna keep doing my thing regardless, man. I'm not really gonna be waiting for a mentor. I'm gonna keep doing my thing, and if a mentor comes along my way, then so be it, but I'm gonna keep moving forward regardless. So those are the results for you. No one got back to me, but then again, it's only been a day, so they may respond in the next few days or the next week or so. And if they do, I actually update you guys on my Instagram account. So go follow me on Instagram as well. It's gonna be in the link in the description below, just to say updated and everything like that. But I want you guys to find a mentor as well. Mentors are extremely helpful, but don't depend on that, man. Get started today. Don't use that as an excuse not to get started. Don't be like, I don't have a mentor, so I can't get started or anything like that, man. I came this far without a mentor, and I'm gonna keep moving forward without a mentor until I actually find one. But I'm actively looking for one, but that doesn't mean I'm not gonna do anything until I find one, right? So try to find a mentor. They're extremely helpful. But that's all I have for today's video, man. If you found it valuable, if you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like, subscribe to the channel as well, and leave a comment down below your thoughts on this. And I'm out, bro. I'll see you guys in the next video.